Good morning, primary 2. Today we will explain the place value, okay, in money. Okay, so first term we already talk ones and tens and hundreds. Okay, so first term is called ones, place value is ones, and second number is tens, third number is hundreds. Okay, so in money also we will take it as a ounce, it's 1 pound or pounds. Tens is 10 pounds. Hundreds is 100 pounds. Okay? So if I have number like 235, okay, so we have 200s here, 200s. Okay, so we have two paper of 100s, 1 and 2, and have three papers of 3 of 10 pounds. So we have 1 2 3, and we have 5 paper of 1 pounds, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so first represent how many 1 pounds in the ones place. Okay, it's 5. Second represents how many 10 pounds in the tens place. Okay, it's 3. Third, calculate how many 100 pounds in the hundreds place. 2. We have 2 here. Okay, here if I have 402 pounds, okay, so how can to put these numbers in place value or its place value? So we have two ones or 2 pounds here, 1 2. We have no tens and we have 400s, so we have 4 paper of hundreds, 100 pounds, 1 2 3 4. Here we have 310, so we have here 300s, 1 2 3 and 1 10 and 0 here. Okay, no ones or no pounds here. Second, okay, we have 146, so we have 100 and 4 tens, 1 2 3 4 and 6 pounds or 1 pound, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we will write it as 146. Okay, so what we learned in the slides, learn to divide all numbers here, okay, in its place value. And we have 254, so we have 200s and 5 tens or 10 pound and 1 pound, 4 paper of 1 pound. Okay, so we have 254. Okay, in these slides we will recognize what's the number. Okay, so we have here 301 tons and 2 pounds of 1 pound. Okay, so we have 312. Second example, we have 100 and 1 2 3 3 tens or 10 pounds and no pound, so we have here 130. Second, we have no hundreds pounds, okay, and we have 1 2 3 4 pounds here, and we have 1 pound, so we have here 41, 4 tens and 1 ones. Here I have 100, okay, and have 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 ones or 5 papers of 1 pound, so we have here 1 and 0 and 5, so my number or my money is 105 pounds. Here adding amount of money without regrouping. Okay, you can add number like 134 plus 211 using the place value also. Okay, so if I have 134, 134 plus 211, 211, it's equal. Okay, so we will plus ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. So in ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, it's 300. Okay, so as first as banknote is in the ones place, it's 4 plus 1, it's 5. And second, at banknote is the tens place. We have 30 plus 10 equal 40. Here it's 30 pounds, and here 10 pounds. So its result is 40. And when add banknote as a hundreds, we have here 100 and 200. It's 300. Okay, so my result equal 345. Okay. Match each addition problem with its answer. Okay, so we have as first here 152 and 23. Okay, so we will make plus and match with the same number here. So we have here the number 3 plus 2 equal 5, 5 plus 2 equal 7, 1 plus 0 equal 1. So my result 175. Second, we have here 400. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 400, and 100 here, and here 136, 136. So we'll take units with units. 3, 6 plus 0 here equals 6. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have 536. Like this. The least, we have 184 plus 310. So 184 and 310. So we will take this. 0 plus 4 equal 4. 1 plus 8 equal 9. 3 plus 1 equal 4. So it's the same. Adding amount of money with regrouping ones. Okay, so first term we already took regrouping. Okay, so my song is when I see 10 or more, circle 10, cross and move. Okay, so we have here example. We have 218 plus 123. So we write it as draw here 200 and 1 tens and 8 ones, or 8 paper of 1 pound, and here 123. So we will take here ones with others. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and put it. Okay, so I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. When I see 10 or more, circle 10, cross and move as a 10. Okay, so I here I cross 10 paper and transfer it as 1 paper, okay, of 10 here. Okay, let's see example. But as a first, we have adding amounts of money with regrouping tens. Okay, so we have here 182 plus 143, and we will regrouping but in the terms. Okay, first slide here, it's adding ones. Okay, so if we see 10 ones, so it's make a 10 a 1/10. And here, okay, if I have 182 and 143, so we will take 1 2 3 4 5 as a ones, so 5 as a ones. Okay, no problem here. Okay, let's see tens. 8 plus 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. What? 12? No, we have here as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. When I see 10 or more, circle 10, cross and move. So I take 10 from here and cross and transfer it as 100. Okay, so if I see here 10 papers of 10 pounds, okay, so we will cross on this paper and transfer it as 100. Let's see example. We have here solved the following problems using the place value. Here we have 375 plus 450. Okay, so I have in first number 300s and 7 tens and 5 ones. Okay, plus we have here 400. Sorry, we will write it 375, and we have here 400, 5 tens and no ones. Okay, so we will take ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. 0 plus 5 equal 5. Okay, 5 plus 7, so we will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Stop. When I see 10 or more, circle 10, cross and move. So it will be as 100, and the rest is 2. So we have here 2 tens, and let's see hundreds plus hundreds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 here. Okay, so my result will be is here 800 and 2 tens and 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 ones. Okay, so my result is 825. How to subtract 64 minus 36? Okay, so as decompose method, we have here 6 tens, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and have 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I will take from 4 here 6. So how to take 6 from 4? I can't. Okay, so just to remember, if I have here 10 pounds, okay, 1 pound of 10, so I can make this equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 1 paper of 10 pounds, it's equal or it's the same of 10 paper of 1 pound. Okay, so I will take 1 paper here, okay, and make it as a 10 paper. So I have here 10 pounds, transfer it as 10 paper of 1 pound. Okay, and solve the problem. So I can here take 6, so I will take here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and have the same here. So my result will be 8, and here I will take from 6 3, so it will be 2 here. Okay, let's see how to solve the problem here. If I have here 8 pound, 10 pounds and 1 pound, okay, and make it minus, so I will have here or take 5 from here, so I can't. So I will take here 1 paper of tens and make it 10 papers of 100 of 1 pound. So it will be like this. Okay, so I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and transfer the other. Okay, the rest is 6 and make it in tens. So we have 8 tens and take it as ones and make 7. So I will take 2 from this number. So I will take 1, 2. Result will be like this. Okay, and my result will be 56 and so on. In this example, we have here 61 minus 29 and the result will be 32. How to solve this problem? If I have here 6, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And I have here 1 ones only, okay? So 1 ones, I will take it 9 ones from here, so I can't. So I will make here, okay? Take 1 from here and make it as 10. Let's to see example to understand. I have here 73, okay? And I want to take from ones here 3, 10. 8. So I can't. I will take 1 paper from tens and make it as a 10 paper here. Okay? So I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the rest will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I will take from tens 1 here. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Sorry, 5 only. Okay, because I will take from here 1 and the rest will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the rest will be 5 here. It's 5 and here so it's 55. Word problem. Okay, we have here Khalid had 718 pounds. He bought a scooter for 291. How much money left with him? Okay, so I will solve the problem with decompose method. So we have here 700, 1 tenth and 8 ones. Okay, so I will take from 8 here 1. So it will be here. Okay, it will be 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will take from 1 here 9. So I can't. Okay, can't be. So I will take 1 here, 100 and make it as a 10 tenths. So I will take here from here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I take 9 here from this money and the rest will be 2. The hundreds I will take from hundreds 2. So here 1, 2 and the rest will be 4. My result will be 425. 425. Okay, so we are finished today. Bye bye.